Lanky box. What happened? It's okay. Lanky box. Can you show me your fridge, Ate? The one you made? Wow. It's okay. We'll fix it. Mama will fix it for you.
I do it like this.
Yeah, it used to be from, it was used from the cake, right?
Yeah.
The cake box?
Yeah. It's pretty.
Yeah, you're so creative, Ate. Mmm. Inspired by my daughter's creativity, we transformed this bookshelf into a fridge. I will attach the link of our previous video on the description box below. Ate, can you video us?
Yeah.
Okay, come on. No, it's like this. You can hold it here. The reason why I want you to do it here is because this would look like connected to this when I put something. Babe, are you happy doing what you're doing?
Yeah, but no, can you take this out? Bago pa madumi.
Ikaw na, diyan ka na eh. Ikaw, are you happy with what you're doing?
Oh, can you give me my other drill, please?
The what?
The other drill.
Where's the other drill? There you go. Ta-da! The next step I did was look for color palette inspo. I wanted to match the kitchen decor with our home aesthetic, but my daughter wanted some colors in her play area. The idea is to add neutral tones to the teal to balance it out. We also incorporated natural baskets to match our boho candy aesthetics at home. I feel like after this decorating sesh, I'm still able to add more boho feel when I'm able to shop around for the items that would go with the overall look that I'm going for. Make sure to watch out for that video. No, don't!
Kaya ka natin.
I think I gave it to them. So, ganyan. Bali, magiging vuvong siya. Vuvong. So, ngayon, lalagyan ko siya dito ng cardboard para tumigas siya. So, nakatayo siyang ganyan, right? Get mo na? Tapos maybe like I can just put a cloth here or paper. And then, ano sabi mo? Gaganituhin?
Tapos, ikakat mo rito. It's like a 45 degrees. Para
Help me. Help me. Grabe. Pagod na pagod na. Ang hirap nito. Hirap. Hirap.
Engineering yan.
Engineering to si ano eh. Do you wanna be an engineer? Or you wanna be a snowman na lang?
Oh, pwede na yan.
Gusto niya markahan. Buti na lang masipag ka kasi tamad ako. Bob brings all my ideas to life. Ako ang dream ko maging boss, so I just boss around. Do you like it when I boss you around?
No,
Why not?
because you're bossing me around.
Sayang nga nun eh. At least hindi ka na magdidesisyon para sa sarili mo. And it went like...
Would you like today to sit down?
I would love to have some French toast for today with a little bit of strawberries on the side.
Okay, but how about that girl there?
She's just gonna get some water or milk, probably. That's about it. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you guys liked it and learned something new. And if you guys want to see more DIY and recycling ideas, please give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel where it's cozy. Till next time, bye. So long, farewell, adieu, au revoir. Oh my gosh. If you want to see more videos like this, please let us know. Oh yeah, we should say something like... So that's about it. Thank you for...